Never throw away the peels of garlic and onions again. If you're someone who discards them, you won't do so anymore after today, because I'm going to share something very important with you that I'm sure you haven't heard anywhere else. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. I recently cooked at home and have gathered a good amount of garlic and onion peels, which I've been saving to show you something surprising. Take this opportunity to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can send you a special greeting in my upcoming videos. I'm separating the garlic and onion peels into a container. The next step is to place the peels in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. After the 7 minutes have passed, you'll notice that the peels have a crunchy texture that easily breaks in your hands. There's no need to wash them afterward, as the heat eliminates any bacteria that may have remained on the peels. At this point, we'll transfer the garlic and onion peels to a blender and add 250 g of kitchen salt. The salt can be coarse or ground. If you've made it this far, take this opportunity to let me know any tips you'd like us to feature on the channel. I'm always checking your suggestions. Once everything is blended, you'll notice that it forms a fine flour-like consistency. If you find that it's not grinding well, you can help the blender by shaking it or using a spoon, but be careful to avoid any contact with the blender's blades. All that's left is to remove the mixture and store it in a container. You'll notice how aromatic your kitchen becomes. This blend is packed with beneficial nutrients for your entire family. What we've just prepared is a flavorful seasoning that will add an exquisite taste to your meals. If you ever find yourself running out of seasoning while cooking, you won't feel rushed since this inexpensive alternative serves as a backup. Before, it used to bother me a lot when I ran out of garlic or onion just when I had to cook. Now, I have a backup that saves the day. You can season meat, beans, rice, noodles, and any other food without any problem. Season your meals with this blend, and then come back here to let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this tip and want to receive more videos like this, leave a comment below. I want more tips. That way, I'll know if I'm doing it right. Today's greetings go to Mary Williams from Ohio and Kathleen Benedetti from Florida. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips like this.